The second type of software we have is customized software. So coming to customized software is suited large and medium business and can be linked to the other information system. The cost of installation and maintenance is relatively high because the high cost is to be paid to the vendor of the customization. The customization includes modification and addition to the software contents, provision for the specified number of users and their authentication, etc. Secrecy of data and software can be better maintained in customized software. Since the need to train the software user is important, the training costs are therefore high. So when compared to the ready-to-use software and customized software is more suitable for the medium size and large size organization, and when coming to the secrecy level is also high, and this information can be related to the other accounting informations, and the training is required for this particular software, so that it will cost more here. Then we have tailored. So when coming to the tailored accounting software, tailored is nothing but the accounting software which is generally tailored in large business organization with multi-users and geographically scattered locations. These software require specialized training to the users. The tailored software is designed to meet the specific requirement of the users and form an important part of the organizational management information system. The secrecy and authenticity checks are robust in such software, and they offer high flexibility in terms of number of users. To summarize, the following table represents the comparison between the various category of accounting software. Now let us compare the three types of software what we have discussed. One is ready to use, and the another is customized, and the third one is tailored. So let us have a look on the particular table, and we'll see that which particular software is more suitable for which type of organization. So first feature difference we are going to check with the basis of nature of business. So when coming to nature of business, so ready to use software is suitable for only small and conventional business. When coming to customized software, it is suitable for large and medium size business, and when coming to the tailored software, it is suitable for large and typical business. And coming to cost of installation, ready to use cost of installation is low, and customized is relatively high, and tailored is very high. Then we have expected level of secrecy regarding the software and data. When coming to ready to use, the secrecy level is low, and in customized it is relatively high, and in the tailored it is relatively high. Then we have number of users and their interface. So when coming to the number of users and their interface, when coming to ready to use is limited, and when coming to customized, it will be customized as per the specification, and when coming to tailored, it is unlimited. Then the next basis we have is linkage to the other information system. So when coming to the linkage of other information system, ready to use is restricted. We cannot link this particular software to the other accounting system, but when coming to customize, it is suitable, and when coming to the tailored, it is possible to link the particular information with the other information system. Then we have adaptability. So when coming to adaptability, ready to use has high adaptability, and when coming to the customized, it is relatively high, and tailored it is specific. So adaptability is what? How soon the particular person can be adapted to that particular software. So when coming to ready to use, it is very easy to learn, so that the adaptability is high. The next thing is training requirement. So when coming to training requirement, in case of ready to use software, the training requirement is low, and in customized it is medium, and when coming to the tailored software, it is high. Next concept we have is sourcing of an accounting software. So when coming to the sourcing of accounting software, the following factors are usually taken in consideration before sourcing an accounting software. The first thing we are going to consider is flexibility. So when coming to the flexibility is an important consideration before sourcing an accounting software. So when coming to the flexibility, which is nothing but data entry and the availability and design of various reports accepted from it, also it should offer some flexibility before the user should be able to run the software on variety of platforms and machines, for example Windows 98 or 2000 or Linux, etc. Then we have cost of installation and maintenance. The choice of the software obviously requires consideration of organization ability to afford the hardware and software. The simple guideline to take such a decision is the cost benefit analysis, the available options and the financing opportunity available to the firm. Then we have size of organization. The size of organization and the volume of business transaction do affect the software choices. Small organizations, that is in non-profit organization where the number of accounting transaction is not so large, may opt for a simple or single user operated software, while a large organization may require sophisticated software to meet the multi-user requirement, geographical scattered and connected through complex networks. Then we have ease to adoption and training needs. Some accounting software is user friendly, requiring a simple training to the user. However, some other complex software packages linked to the other accounting or linked to the other information system require intensive training on a continuous basis. The software must be capable of attracting user, and if it is required, simple training should be able to motivate its potential users. Then we have utilities or management information system report. The management information system report and the degree to which they are used in the organization also determines the acquisition of software. For example, software that requires simple producing the final accounts or cash flow ratio analysis may be ready to use software. However, the software which is expected to produce cost record needs to be customized as per user requirements. Then we have expected level of secrecy. Software and data. Another consideration before buying accounting software is the security features which prevent unauthorized personnels from accessing or manipulating the data in the accounting system. The next thing we have is exporting or importing data facility. The transfer of database to the other system or software is sometimes expected from the accounting software. Organization may need to transfer information directly from the ledger into spreadsheet software such as Lotus or Excel for more flexibility reporting. The software should allow the hygienic and untouched data transfer. Accounting software may require to be linked to management information system software in the organization. Then we have vendor's reputation and capability. So when coming to the vendor's reputation and capability, it is the another important consideration is the reputation and the capability of about the vendors. This depends upon how long has been the vendor is in business of software development, whether there are other users of the software and the extent of the availability of support mechanisms outside the premises of the vendor.